Master Zhang, I've noticed that a lot of expansion joints fail after only a short time. When we open them up, they're packed with dust and ash. Is that one of the main reasons they fail?
Exactly. Dust and ash buildup inside a fabric expansion joint is one of its biggest hidden killers. But do you know why so much ash gets inside in the first place?
Is it because the internal structure makes it easy for ash to collect?
That's part of it, but there are two main reasons. Either there's no flow liner installed, or the liner is damaged or has come loose. Under normal operating conditions, the flow liner protects the expansion joint and keeps the hot gas flowing straight through the duct. Once that protection is gone, dust and hot ash can get directly into the expansion joint cavity and gaps. And it just keeps building up until the whole thing gets packed solid.
But if it's just ash buildup and there's no obvious air leakage, can it really cause that much damage?
Absolutely. There are three major problems. First, the weight of all that ash puts a huge load on the fabric. It pulls on the fabric and the folds, causing deformation and cracking. Eventually, the fabric becomes loose, tears, and you start getting air and flue gas leakage.
Okay, what's the second problem?
Heat buildup. Hot ash trapped inside the cavity acts like a heat reservoir. It keeps baking the fabric from the inside and accelerates the aging and carbonization of materials like silicone and fiberglass. In severe cases, the service life can be cut in half.
That explains why some expansion joints seem to fail from the inside first. So what's the third problem?
And this is the most dangerous one. Once the cavity is completely filled with ash, the expansion joint can lose its ability to move. When the duct heats up and expands, the joint can't absorb that movement. The thermal stress has nowhere to go. That stress gets transferred to the duct, flanges, supports, and connected equipment. In serious cases, it can actually crack the duct or damage the equipment.
Got it. So if there's no flow liner, or if the liner fails, it can cause ash buildup, which leads to deformation, accelerated aging, and eventually complete loss of expansion capability.
Exactly. Remember this, ash buildup is not a minor issue. It can destroy the expansion joint and create a serious risk of duct failure. During inspections, always check the flow liner for damage or detachment and clean out accumulated ash regularly. Prevent the problem at the source.
Got it. I'll definitely keep an eye on that from now on.